Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm making this video as a project for my science class. I'm new to VoiceThread, so this may be immature. Today I'll be talking about ground pollution. Ground pollution is when human-made waste, such as chemicals, enter the ground and threaten the environment. It can get in your drinking water and can cause sickness. There is ground pollution because of the oil or fuel dumping or spillage. The oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico is an example of groundwater pollution, but that is another VoiceThread in itself. Ground pollution is also caused by pesticides, chemicals such as hydrocarbons and lead, and leaching of landfills. Many mishaps also cause ground pollution, like if an underground storage tank such as sewage tank explodes, then it could be the cause of ground pollution. Not one individual or group can be blamed for ground pollution. Many factors contribute to ground pollution. For example, the increase of urbanization affects the amount of chemicals used that seeps into the ground. And of course, if there's more people, then there's more demand for food. Also, with more people, there is more trash. And you know what that means? Our landfills fill up, and the ground pollution is increased. Industries also produce and release harmful chemicals that can damage the environment. So pretty much the whole human race is causing ground pollution. Yes, blame it on yourself. Ground pollution is everywhere. It's in the fields that your food grows in the ocean you swim in, near the plastic factories, the chemical plants, the oil refineries, nuclear waste disposal areas, and large animal farms. The truth is that ground pollution is everywhere. It's unavoidable. Ground pollution has been around for years. Ever since the Industrial Revolution, factories have been pumping chemicals into the ground, starting a trend for the rest of the world. We have a lot of recycling and cleaning to do to make up for our ancestors' mistakes. Contaminated soil and water can cause leukemia, breathing problems, and other chronic health issues. It can exterminate wildlife. How would you feel if the birds didn't chirp anymore, or the squirrels didn't chase each other up the trees? Acid rain can also damage plants and trees. We need trees to live. The water cycle can show you more about how rain becomes acid rain. But anyway, the ground pollution is serious. It can even kill you. What if one day you came home, drank a glass of water, but the next day you became ill? You thought the pain would go away in a week or so, but it didn't. You go to the doctors and find out you have leukemia. What would your feelings be when your doctor told you that it might be because of the water you drank? You can always recycle. This is the most popular choice of today's generation. But there are other things you can do. Watch for what you buy. Don't buy heavily packaged items. Look for only organic grown foods. Organic grown foods can be a little more tasty too. Well, this concludes my VoiceThread. I hope you enjoyed learning about ground pollution and the effects on its environment. Peace, love, and recycling!